In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send GIFs instantly on Slack. Instant GIFs. Endless humor. By the end, you'll be dropping the perfect reaction GIF in seconds, using Slack's built-in giphy command, without needing any extra tools. First, open Slack and head to the place where you want your GIF to appear. That can be any channel or a direct message. Take a quick moment to make sure you're in the right conversation, especially if you're part of multiple projects or teams. Everything we're doing works the same on desktop and in the Slack web app, and it's very similar on mobile too. Now, click into the message box and type a / followed by the word giphy, like this. Giphy. Commands in Slack are shortcuts that trigger specific actions, and this one tells Slack you want to search for a GIF. As you type, Slack usually suggests the command automatically. If you see giphy text appear just below the composer, that's exactly what you want. Go ahead and click the giphy text suggestion. Clicking the suggestion simply confirms the command format in the message field for you, so you don't have to remember the syntax. If you don't see the suggestion, no problem. Typing giphy directly works just the same. If nothing happens at all, it may mean your workspace has the giphy integration turned off. In that case, check your workspace settings or ask your admin to enable it. Next, add your search term. In our example, type the word love right after the command, so it reads giphy love. You can replace love with any word or short phrase that captures what you want to express. Think celebration, thanks, or mind blown. Keep it simple for faster, more accurate results, and try a couple of variations if you're not getting the vibe you want. Finally, click Send. Slack will fetch a matching GIF for your keyword. Depending on your workspace settings, Slack may show you a preview and let you shuffle through a few options before posting. If you see that option, it's a great way to fine-tune your pick. When you're happy, confirm to post, and your GIF will appear instantly in the conversation. That's all there is to it. Open the right chat, type giphy, select the command suggestion, add a keyword like love, and hit send. Use this to keep things light, react fast, and add a touch of humor, while staying mindful of your team's norms and keeping it work appropriate. Enjoy the instant GIF power.